Now this part I'm good at.
Lens! Rune! Come on! Get back in it!
Come on!
What? Some of this! Let's try this! Come on!
Thanks.
Nothing to worry about.
I feel stronger.
To arms!
Let's try this! Come on!
Thanks.
Get back in it! Rune! Come on! I've got next. This'll do. Come on! Get back in it!
That's it.
I have to keep... I'll heal you. Thanks.
That's it.
I have to keep... Oh,
That's
they got
it.
me.
Let's do this!
Any last words?
Okie doke. Out of here. Rune. Come on.
Thanks.
Get back in it. What? Let's try this. Come on. Okay. Oh,
That's
they got
it.
me.
Let's do this!
You're mine. Oh, baby! Yeah! Rune! Come on!
Thanks.
Get back in it!
I'll heal you.
Thanks.
Last one!
Piece of cake.
It's my duty to keep getting stronger. You're mine.
Habibi! There! I'll heal you.
Rune! I've got to stay strong. Yeah!
Here we go! Marissa!
Thanks.
Here we go. Hey, go easy.
Okay. This'll do. Come on. Get back in.
Moving.
Come on. See ya. Piece of cake. Experience the strength.
Hey, we almost...
We'll be in your non soon. Come on.
Two arms!
Okay, I'll heal you.
Thanks! Swords!
I've got to stay strong.
There! I'll heal you.
Guardian Arcana.
You piece of...
That's
You're
it!
right, Gar?
That's
I
it! Swords!
have to keep...
See ya.
We cleaned right up.
So, this is your village, huh?
Identity confirmed. Marissa.
And Guru! Boy, are we glad to see you.
Is something wrong?
The Revenants are back, and this time
They're coming after Yarnan?
Poobie?
Is this that other threat you mentioned?
Could be. Hard to imagine those bone walkers would.
So where are they now?
south of the village common.
As will I. Marissa, I know you have only just returned, but we could use you there.
I won't let those revenant monsters destroy my home. Let's get over there, Noah.
Right behind you.
Someone want to tell me how they got this far? What are our scouts doing?
Only a fool would think to stand in my...
Yeah, strong words coming from a walking xylophone. I'm surprised you're even capable.
Prostrate your...
Why would we do that?
After 300 years, regardless, it... Surrender to me. Give up. Cry and mew. Elsewise, my revenant army will descend upon... Yield your lives to me.
You know what? I don't think I like this guy's tone.
Are these the...
You stand... We what now?
Wrong, Bone Breath. You stand in awe of Noah, King of the Alliance.
Well, that...
Noah?
So be it, King of the Alliance. If you join your strength to mine, I shall reward you with the gift of life.
You don't really think we're gonna surrender to you, right?
I am calling you to my service. You must!
Tough luck, chump. This is the only place I can call home. The one place where I fit in this world, and there's no way I'm handing it over to the likes of you.
It seems you cannot fathom the benevolent.
Guys? What's he doing?
Hey, stop that!
Uh-oh.
Stop!
Any last words?
Here's a little Guardian Arcana.
You all right? Thanks! boys are tough.
How about you fight fair?
How sad you cannot recognize such a pure act of mercy. What time remains to you, but precious little. Collect your wits and reconsider my...
Reconsider.
Threaten us all you want, but
We shall meet again.
Okay, I really don't like that guy.
I never dared get this.
Okay.
He appeared to be demanding our surrender.
Was that the mysterious other threat I heard about?
We've been getting reports about packs of revenants, so... Yep, don't know why he'd march in here with such... chalk it up to overconfidence, maybe.
Oh yeah, I'm sure that's all.
Well, our duty... Nice fighting, Marissa. So you're Noah, eh?
Oh, yeah. About that.
Man, I do love a guy who can talk a big game. Just know that she's like a kid sister to me. Commander or not, mind your manners around. We clear? Magis...
Wave.
Oh,
Anyway, we gotta report this to the Grand Warden.
It's a pleasure to see you again, Noah.
Please come tell me what happened when your task is completed,
Sorry,
Is he really your brother?
Wave? Nah. He's not that much older than us. So, captain or no, it just feels like we're family.
We should head over to the Grand Warden's place. Wouldn't mind grabbing a bite, huh?
Sorry, but Wave ordered this exit closed while...
Feel free to discuss it with the...
Dad, Dad!
Yes, baby girl.
I just wanted to make sure you're still here.
Well, I am. And I missed you a right.
Come on.
Still thinking about those revenants, mate? Hey,
Come on, let's find the Grand Warden. His house was... Which one again?
Well met, Commander Noah of the Alliance. Wave has explained the situation. Noah got dragged into trouble the moment he arrived. But he proved himself a capable warrior.
I understand you've seen signs of Imperial movement.
Yeah. So to explain, we Guardians have a duty to, and part of that overlaps with the Norsfarian territory the League recently handed over to the Empire. That's how one of our patrols saw the Imperial Army amassing troops there.
Which was all before the Revenants came along.
The elves sent a warning as well. They saw a group outside the area of operations, searching for... well, we're not sure.
Leave it to Lakian to bring that information to Lilith. Doesn't he trust me at all?
It did come to you. You chose not to read it.
That group sounds like the one that attacked Yelu's village.
Yes, I heard something about that, but it was outside of our sphere of operations. Sorry all the same. This series of suspicious events was why we sent Marissa and... If the Empire launches a full-fledged attack, even the combined... We'll need the strength of the whole...
Never knew.
Oh, don't get me wrong. I'm still... But if you want to earn a life free of worry, it's gonna take some thinking.
So where do we come in?
You should go to the North Starry capital. I've already informed them we'll be sending emissaries.
Wow, Wave. You're really putting in effort here.
Hey, when push comes to shove, Wave comes to punching in the face. That's why you love me.
B.
Oh, and I'd like Nil to go too. Consider yourself Marissa's chaperone.
Are you certain I am adequate for this task?
It certainly wouldn't hurt for you to see more of the outside world. Heck,
Thank you very much, Wave. It will be my great honor to accompany you, Marissa.
Enough with the formality. We're friends.
Yes, of course. My most sincere and humble apology.
You're not going, Wayne?
nah. Marissa's young, but she... Besides, I got that whole Revenant army thing to deal with. Not to mention a gaggle of Imperials in my backyard.
Oh, that's quite the list. Think I'll hang back and give you a hand.
Marissa! It's good to be together again.
Don't do anything I wouldn't do, kiddo.
I hope your journey to North Star will prove a fruitful one.
Thank you, Grand Warden. Come on, Noah. Let's go.
Glad we get to travel together again, Noah.
My name is Nil. I am most humbly pleased to make your acquaintance.
Are you a guardian too, Nil? You're certainly very unique.
I discovered Nil in a room, Barrows. I've got no idea who she is or where she comes. Some idiots think she's a rune golem, but she's
Sadly, my memory banks are empty.
Nil and I have that in common. I don't even remember what my parents looked like.
It's gotta be tough.
Pooby poo.
The other guardians have been kind since... Could this perhaps be another thing we haven't...
Yeah, there's no question you're known as my home now. And and that includes you, Nil.
I am most grateful for the privilege, Marissa.
Look, don't do that.
Don't do what, Marissa?
Don't act like I'm doing you a favor. That's the whole point of being friends.
Understood. I will try to adjust my behavior.
Oh man, I wish my brother Lakian was as forthcoming with affection.
Wave often states that the whole Lillowin thing complicates your relationship. Yet he has never expounded on what the whole Lillowin thing...
What? No! I mean, there's... there's nothing to,
Hey, is this some love triangle thing between you?
I have knowledge of isosceles and scaling triangles. Is that another kind?
I have no idea what that means. But basically, Lakian is interested in Lilo.
La 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 la, he doesn't know anything. Now, let's just go and pretend the whole last minute...
Sorry, Lilwyn. Yes, we can go now. Look at us go!
Humans are such perplexing creatures.
Marissa, Noah, Nil. Okay, everyone's here. Let's go!
You seem eager to depart, Aoi.
I think he just wants to get moving before you drop.
Ugh. Anyway, if we head southwest from here, we should see Norrister's capital city of Athribult before—
Right. Let's go. This is Athribult?
Sure is.
There are so many people here. I hope I won't get any.
Anybody bothering you is gonna catch a swift boot to the backside.
I am very happy you care for me so, Marissa. But please, do not be booting any backsides on my behalf.
Oh, here we go. The girls are practically inseparable already. What do you say, Noah? Want to buddy up?
You and me, Aoi. Besties for life.
Now that's what I'm talking about. Future bards will be singing epics about the adventures of Aoi the elf and brave Commander Noah.
Hate to break up the love fest, but we need to get.
We're headed to the castle of Norrister's King Salus Belrand, I believe.